Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. Today's video, I'm a little bit running behind. I gotta get my food ready. I have a car appointment today to get my car serviced exactly at 10 a.m. and right now it's 9 a.m. and if you live in New Jersey, the North Jersey area, the New York area, you already know how traffic is around this time. So I have to go ahead and get ready to go. I'm gonna prep a couple meals. Today is my off day from the gym. So just to give you guys a quick rundown, I got up this morning around 5:15, did 45 minutes of fasted cardio on the treadmill, walking at an incline, 15% incline, 2.5 speed. Immediately after that, I had breakfast, which was 3 whole eggs, 3 egg whites, and then got off work, drove an hour and a half home. Now we're home. I just took a quick shower. Now we're about to prep the food and we're about to head out. That was a lot, but we gotta go, all right? So before I go, I wanted to share this with you guys. Icon Meals killed it with this protein popcorn, guys. This stuff right here tastes so amazing. I already smashed 3 bags. This is bag number 4, and I have to actually weigh it out. But this popcorn is amazing, guys. And I have 2 more bags. 1, 2. I have 2 more bags that I am going to destroy. On my cheat day, which is Saturday, 2 days from now, I am going to smash 1 whole bag that day. That popcorn is so amazing. I'm sorry, Muscle Tech. I'm Team Muscle Tech all day. This is nothing against Muscle Tech, but somebody put me on this. I tried it out and I'm hooked. It's a nice, healthy snack. You can't eat a lot of it because 1 serving, I believe, is 33 grams of carbs. So I usually do 1 serving. Today is my off day from the gym, but I may do a half a serving, pack it in a little bag and take it with me just to suppress that sweet tooth, to fight off those cravings that's trying to get me for those carbs, all right? It's all about portion control, baby. All about portion control, all right? On feet today, we have the Adidas Ultra Boost. This colorway here, right here, guys, is one of my favorite colorways. This is like a highlighter yellow color. Man, I wish I would have got 2 pairs when these came out, but these are the 1.0, so finding these will be super hard.
I wish I were worth that.
Well, we'll take the couple of grand.
Just Lynn told her you are worth way more than that, just so you know.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, it's snowing like crazy here in Jersey. I'm a little bit disappointed because I got to the dealership pretty early to get my car serviced so I can like just get out of the future coming weather, and as you guys can see, they took a little longer than normal to get my car done, and so I got caught in the snow, and right now traffic is bad. It's horrible. It normally takes me about maybe 10 minutes to get home. I think I've been on the road now for about 35 minutes, just taking it real slow because it's not worth, you know, getting in a wreck, trying to rush. I already witnessed 1 wreck in front of me. This Mercedes was coming down like this ramp, and they were coming pretty fast, so it's their fault, and they know it's snowy. They're coming down fast and smashed in the back of this bus. They started sliding and they couldn't stop the slide, so they smashed in the back of this bus. And so I was just like, yeah, I just need to get home, park this car and get out the snow. But right now traffic is stop and go, so that's why I'm able to turn the camera on. So for all you guys out there talking about I should have my camera on while I'm driving in the snow, it's like stop and go. Right now I'm going like 3 miles an hour. So I'm just gonna take it slow till I get to the house. And one thing I've learned though, since I've been living here in Jersey and driving in the snow, and I learned this back home with icy roads because it's pretty much the same concept. You cannot slam your brakes, guys. When you're in snow, if you're in icy conditions, the roads are slick, you have to pump your brakes, because if you like just mash your brakes, you go into a slide and it's hard to get out the slide. So what you do is pump your brakes, like kind of pump them, let them stop, let them spin, let them stop, and that's how you actually slow down in snow and icy conditions. So I'm actually gonna put this camera down, and then I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the house, all right? So this is how fast I'm going right now, just so you guys know. Only 3 miles an hour. Traffic is barely moving. Right here, I'm actually at the Lincoln Tunnel exit. This is the exit to go to the Lincoln Tunnel. This is the exit I have to take every day to go home because I live right by the Lincoln Tunnel. So it's barely moving. I will get there. I'm actually like maybe 2 miles from my house, and it's probably gonna take me like 20 minutes to get there. So we're just gonna take it nice and easy. Made it home, barely. This road is horrible. So I gotta shovel. I gotta actually get the shovel, come back out here and shovel snow. That's what you gotta do when you're living in New Jersey, New York area. I mean, y'all look at this, man. So just getting started. So I'm gonna shovel these stairs. As you can see, these cars are barely making up this hill. This hill is very steep. That's why I came from the top of the hill. So way up there, I came from the top of the hill and came down. So all I had to do was park right here in front of the house. But these people that's trying to go up this steep hill, some of these cars won't make it. They're just not gonna make it. It always happens every year. So I'm about to get out here and clean these steps up. Yes, it's still snowing, but I think it's very important to try to clean it up and get the salt down, because the salt will melt the snow. So what I'm gonna do is clean the steps and clean like right in front of the walking area so it doesn't ice over. And then we're gonna put some salt down. We're gonna do this in the LeBrons. I actually used these last year. These are actually really good for the snow. I got some salt. Only got a little bit left. I need to buy some more. And then have this big ass shovel that I got from Lowe's last year. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, I got the salt and the shovel last year from Lowe's. So about to go ahead and start cleaning all this out. And it's just coming down, but I think it's good to go ahead and get started now. So I'm gonna quit talking and get this done. All right, y'all, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Decided to bring you guys to work with me. In this vlog here, I wanna go ahead and share with you guys what we're doing right now. I'm actually grilling some chicken. I'm prepping some chicken for the week, for the next about 4 days. But we're actually washing the truck right here. Washing the truck, and yes, we're washing it inside the bay. When it gets really cold here in New Jersey, we wash the vehicles inside. We do have this drainage system, so everything runs to the middle of the bay and drains out. So we're able to wash our vehicles inside the bay, which is very cool and very convenient because it gets extremely cold out there, and water and cold air and cold environment do not mix, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and finish washing this up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish grilling the chicken. I'll show you guys what I'm grilling. I'm grilling some chicken thighs, and just gonna bring you guys along today. Nothing special, maybe bring you guys to a workout, and we're gonna pretty much end the vlog here at work. All right. Crazy, man. You watch this truck, and you look at it and you're like, because it's so old, you look at it and you're like, man, it's hard to tell when it's really a new truck get in, man. It'll be nice though. Hopefully. And now we have a very clean fire truck ready to go, ready to respond. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have on the grill. And bam, right there we have some chicken thighs that I'm grilling, which they're almost ready to come off. They're pretty much about done actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off the grill. What I'm gonna do is cut all this chicken up, put it in a bag. That way all I have to do throughout the week is just measure out what I need and put in my Tupperware. Very convenient, very easy, and I highly recommend doing stuff like this if you're someone that's always pushing for time, especially if you're someone who's busy, you're in college, you work a full-time job, you have children, whatever the case may be, take 1 hour out of your day, especially on the weekend, and prep your meals, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how you can get a good arm workout with very minimal equipment, all right? Because a lot of people think that you have to have a huge gym to work out and to get a really good workout. Well, you don't. You just have to be creative, use your mind, and come up with some good exercises, all right? Focus on the muscle groups you're trying to target, and just envision those exercises, envision those movements in your mind, and try to put them together with what you have, all right? So that being said, I just did 1 mile run. So now I'm getting ready to do my warm-up exercises, which is gonna consist of dips. We're gonna do 3 sets of dips, 3 sets of pull-ups, superset, just to warm our body up, to warm the biceps, to warm the triceps up, and then we're gonna get into the main actual workout, all right? gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. I know it wasn't nothing crazy, nothing like out of this world, you know what I'm saying, but it's just a part of me. It's my life, and I know a lot of you guys enjoy watching videos like this, and you want to learn about me, learn about my life, things I do, and what it's like being in my shoes sometimes. And more importantly, you guys enjoy the like fitness content. You guys enjoy like any kind of like health benefit content that I can provide you guys. And I'm going to sit this down because it's hurting my shoulder a little bit. My shoulders are done. So, but yeah, you guys enjoy that kind of content. And so, you know, at the end of the day, like I always preach to you guys, when it comes to my channel, even if the vlog is boring, I want you guys, not gonna say boring, but even if there's not action in the vlog, I want you guys to be able to pull some kind of information from this vlog and apply it to your daily life, to your dieting, to your training, whatever the case may be. You'll be able to learn something from every video I put up here. I just don't want to put a video up here and it's just a video up here. You know, I feel like this day and age, I have a lot of information I can share with you guys. I've been through things, I'm going through things in life. I've made mistakes, I've learned from my mistakes, I've made good choices, I've made bad choices, and I feel like to help you guys become better and to help you guys avoid a lot of headaches, heartaches, you know, it's good to share your wisdom with other people. And so that's what I want to do with this channel, and that's what I've been doing, and that's what I try to do, and I know you guys enjoy a lot of that. You definitely should follow me on my IG. Follow me on my IG stories because I'm always sharing a lot of daily stuff on there, guys. So like I'm very active on there. So follow me on my Instagram. The link is down below in the description. But other than that, I appreciate the love and support, guys. I gained, I want to say, a little over 100 followers within the past month and a half. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the new followers. Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn a little bit more about me, just go watch some of my older videos. But guys, I want to push for 50,000 followers, and then after 50,000, the goal is going to be 100. I want to get my content, I want to get my message, my word out there, you know. So if you guys enjoy my content and you think that there's other people around you in your circle that can benefit from my content, you know, share my videos, you know, tell them to subscribe, check me out. But I'm gonna get ready to go to bed because I'm tired. And I hope you guys have a great day, great weekend, great night, whatever the case may be, whatever time you're watching this video. As always, I appreciate the love and support. Peace.